touch him with it. Slow down, slow down, slow down. There you go. Touch him. Touch him. Touch him. Touch him. There you go. There you go. Get a little. There you go. Put that jab up. There you go. There you go. Touch him. That's it. Touch him. There you go. Touch him. Touch him. Right there. That's where you want him at. Anytime you get him on the rope, let the jab keep the distance. Touch him. Nope, you gotta give me some power with that right hand. You gotta sit down on it, Rajad.
Keep going, keep going. Come on, work.
There you go. That's all you gotta do. There you go.
Keep going.
Put your hands up. Put your hands up and go beast mode. Go beast mode. Put your hands up.
You gotta come forward on one game.
Put your hands up. Come on. Come on. Come to him. Come to him now, Josh. Come to him now. Go to him now. Go to him now. Go to him now. Go to him now. There you go. Put the jab out there and go to him. Go to him. Go to him. There you go. That's all you got to do. That's all you got to do. There you go. Good defense. Good defense. Good defense. Touch him. Touch him, guys. Nope. Keep your hands up. Touch him.
Hands up, Josh.
Come on. Come on.
Come on now. You on the rope.
Come on, Josh. What I say, anytime you're on the rope, give me some reactions. Give me some reactions. Give me some reactions. Keep that right hand up. Keep that right hand up, right? And everything off the left jab. Everything off the left jab. There you go. Everything off the left jab. Hooks. Hooks. Uppercuts. Everything off the left jab. Everything off the left jab. Hooks and everything else. There you go. There you go. Sit down.
Go forward.
Come on. Come on. There you go. All you gotta do is keep it in his face.
Hands up, Josh.
There you go. Let your jab work everything off.
Dropping
Let your
his,
jab work everything off.
he's dropping his left.
Come on. Put it out there. Put it out there. You can see everything coming, guys, if you relax. You see everything coming.
Hey, Mike. The girl is here.
Come on.
Just one more. Forward. Tiger.
All right, cool. Good money. Jab, Doc. Keep your right hand up. Bring your bomb.
Stay inside. Come on, run around. That's all
There
you
you
gotta
go.
do. There you go. That right here behind. Get the right hand. There you go. Closer.
There you go. There you go.
Give him that work.
There you go.
There
you go, guys. Pick every shot. Pick all your shots.
Hands up, Josh. Hands up, Josh.
Pick all your shots.
Go forward.
Pick all your shots.
You backing up there.
Pick all your shots. There you go. There you go. That's all. Step. Don't go back. Step to the side. Now do me the same thing. Come back up. Come back up. Give me some body shots. Bump the face. Bump the face. Bump the face. Give me some body shots. Come on. You gotta bring it to him. Give me that jab a little faster than that. A little faster than that. Come on. Put it out there. Put it out there. Put it out there. You gotta put it out there. Come on. Come on. Put it out there. Put it out there. Put it out there.
4 punches, Gabe.
Now work. Uppercut. Bring your hands back to the face. Uppercut. There you go. Come with the hook after that. Let's go. Bring it. You gotta bring it to him now. There you go. Keep your hands up. Don't drop it. Put the jab out there. Put it out there. Put it out there. Bring it right with it. Boom. There you go. There you go. Give me some body shot.
Come on, Gabe. You gotta fight
Give me some body shot.
You gotta save yourself.
Don't put that hand up. Don't throw that right hand without throwing nothing with it. Come downstairs. Come downstairs. Don't even worry about upstairs. Come downstairs. Come on.
Head down.
Come on. Put it out there. Nothing without the jab. You gotta put the jab out there. Come on.
Head down. Head down.
You should see everything, Josh. You will see everything. Put it out there.
Do it again.
What I tell you about that? You should have saw that. You should have saw that. Bring something up. You should have saw that, Josh. Come on. Up, bring it up. Bring him up.
Keep moving.
Come on.
Right.
Cut him off. There you go. Come on. Give some reactions when you feel that. Come on. Cut him off. Cut him off. Cut him off. Don't make him. There you go.